What is Kaizen? Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy that means change for better or continuous improvement. It focuses on improving process, eliminating waste, and increasing value at every step of the production. Why is important in an industry? Because it helps companies stay competitive, adapt to market change, and improve the quality of their products or services. In this video, we'll explore continuous improvement, the PDCA cycle, types of ways, add value, and successful companies that apply the Kaizen philosophy.
So, what is continuous improvement? So, I've searched and I've found from ESQ or the American Society for Quality, continuous improvement, sometimes called continual improvement, is the ongoing improvement of products, services, or processes through incremental and breakthrough improvements. So, basically, it's an ongoing journey of continuously improving non-stop basically. So after one, there's going to be another. It could be another area. It could be the same area, but definitely the discipline is there. The continuous, the continuity, right? Now these efforts can seek either incremental or breakthrough. So when we say incremental, this is series of improvements over time, over a period of time. So you're not expecting, too much in terms of gains, in terms of impact, but you're really more into just the continuity of the practice. Well, there are also breakthrough improvements that happens one time, big time, all at once. So either of the two, they are both concepts that are important and critical in the context of continuous improvement or CI as we may already know. Now, let's talk about the benefits. There are, of course, a lot of benefits when you apply continuous improvement in your organization. So we're talking about increase in agility, our ability to iterate. So whenever there are changes, if your company's practicing continuous improvement, well, basically, you can move. If there are changes, you can adapt to it. And needless to say, of course, improvement in quality. Not only the quality of the product and service, but more importantly, the quality of the process where, these products and services are coming from. We're talking about increased productivity. Think about your KPIs. Think about your metrics. Of course, if you talk about continuous improvement, you're talking about how to improve this metrics, right? And these metrics, well, of course, they are manifestation and reflection of what? Of your productivity measures. Decreased costs, of course. You may have heard already whenever there are challenges or struggles that are being experienced by the organization, by the company, what is expected coming from us is we create value through cost reduction. And that's actually why the application of CI is very important to an organization. And of course, waste reduction or the non-value adding elements of our organization, our processes. The CI approaches is basically addressing that. Okay, so these are just some of the benefits that we can see. Of course, in your organizations, you might think of things that could have been experienced by the organization by applying the CI approaches.
Continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is the core of Kaizen. It's not about big changes, but small, steady improvements that lead to major results over time. Everyone, from workers to supervisors to managers, is involved in identifying problems and finding solutions. Continuous improvement cycle, PDCA or Deming cycle. The PDCA cycle has four main stages: plan, identify a problem and develop a possible solution; 2. Apply the solution on a small scale; shake, evaluate the results; and act, standardize if the worker or adjust if it didn't. 8 types of waste and lane. Kaizen philosophy. Time, transportation, unnecessary movement of products or materials from one place to another. Inventory, having more materials, parts, or finished goods than necessary. Motion, unnecessary movements by people like bending, walking, or research. Waiting, idle time when people, equipment, or materials are not used. overprocessing, doing more work or using more resources than required, overproduction, producing items with errors that require rework or are scrapped, waste of talent, not using employees' skills, ideas, or creativity effectively. Add value. Add value is any activity the customer is willing to pay for. Kaizen helps identify which activities truly add value and which do not. The goal is to increase customer value and reduce non-value add actions. For example, a step that improves quality adds value, and unnecessary hand movements does not. Companies that success with Kaizen. Toyota, the most famous example, the Toyota production system is based on Kaizen, reducing waste and improving quality. Canon involve employees and internal process improvement, achieving greater efficiency and cost savings. Nestle use Kaizen to improve logistic and manufacturing process, reducing delivery times and improving customer satisfaction. And the last one is for adopt Kaizen principles in assembly lines to improve efficiency and reduce defects. So, in conclusion, Kaizen is a powerful tool. Even though it originated in Japan, it can be applied in any type of company around the world. It promotes a culture of ongoing improvement. The second is everyone can contribute, from operators to managers. Everyone is responsible for spotting improvement opportunities and suggesting solutions. And the third one is small steps lead to big change. Kaizen provides that great results don't require massive change, just consistency, awareness, and commitment.